pyautogui UI is a cross-platform GUI automation Python module for human beings, used to programmatically control the mouse and keyboard. Please ask your command according to the below features. Hello Kushal, welcome to pyautogui module. How can I help you? Listening.
1.
Recognizing. Drag to command is used to drag mouse cursor. Please wait. This will take a while. As you saw, it dragged the mouse cursor. Listening.
2.
You said maximize the window. If window is already maximized, then you can't able to see the changes because it already maximized. If not, then you can able to see your window screen automatically maximized. As you saw, it maximized your window screen. Listening.
3.
Recognizing. You said minimize the window, so it will minimize your current window. As you saw, it minimized your window screen. Listening.
4.
Recognizing. You said get current window title, so it will show the name of your current window title. This is your current window title project.py, ma code, Visual Studio Code. Listening.
5.
Recognizing. You said get all titles, so it will display all the current opening application. This is your current opening all applications. Listening.
6.
Recognizing. You said get info, so it will display the all information about your window. This is the info about your window. Win32, 3.7.5, tag /v 3.7.5:5c02 at 39 0b.
7.
Recognizing. You said size in your command, so it will display your current window screen size. This is your current window size. Size, width equals 1920, height equals 1080. Listening.
8.
Recognizing. You said position in your command, so it will display the exact screen position. This is your exact screen position. Point, x equals 1039, y equals 602. Listening.
50.
Recognizing. Did not get it? Please check the command and according to this ask your queries. Listening.
Move to.
Recognizing. You said move to in your command, so it will go to a specific point on your screen. This is your specific point on your screen. Listening.
Click.
Recognizing. You said click in your command, so this will perform click task. As you saw in the top corner the performance of click.
Yes.
That's how it works. Listening.
9.
Recognizing. You said display mouse position in your command, so it will display the live mouse position.